This is the easiest way to get a count of attachments per features in ArcGIS Pro using ArcPy. Let's check it out. Just to note, this will not tell you if attachments are enabled or not for your feature layer or table. If attachments are not enabled, 0 will be returned for each feature. Up top, we will import ArcPy. That is not necessary when you're creating a tool for use as a script tool in ArcGIS Pro, but it does help with auto-completion when you're creating the script. We're going to have two user inputs. First is the inFeatures, which will set to equal ArcPy.getParameter. This parameter is going to be a feature layer or table from a map open in the APRX or from a feature class or table in a geodatabase. We then need the field to update the counts for, so we'll create a count field parameter and we'll set that to equal ArcPy.getParameter as text. And the getParameter as text will get the field name that you want to apply the count to. We're going to use the CalculateField geoprocessing tool, so we call ArcPy.management. The CalculateField tool is in the data management toolbox called CalculateField. We'll set the inTable to be the inFeatures parameter. The field to update is the count field. Our expression, we are going to use an arcade expression. And we'll set that to count attachments for each feature. And then we set an expression type, and that is equal arcade. I'll save the script. That's the script complete. Let's head over to ArcGIS Pro and check out the tool in action. I've created a custom tool in ArcGIS Pro called Count Feature Attachments. Go to Properties. You can see the name set, the label. We've added a description and a summary. We've created two parameters to match the parameters in the script. We have our input features and our count field. Our input features is a feature layer and our count field is a field. And we're setting a filter for our field. And that is to be a short, long, or big int. And the dependency for those fields is on the input features. So we'll see a list for the count fields of field names where the field type in the input features is of short, long, or big int. In the execution tab, we've pointed to where our script resides. You can see I've updated the count field ArcPy getParameter as text as it was getParameter as text. Click OK. I have a set of points here that have attachments enabled and some attachments applied to some of the features. If I open up the attribute table, we can see I have this @count field. It is a short and it is all null at the moment. Now I'll open up the count features attachments tool. I'll set the input features to be our points feature class and I'll set the count field to be the @count field. And I'll run the tool. And we can see that the @count field for our points have been updated with the attachment count per feature. Take a look at Object ID 10. It has two attachments. If I open up the Manage Attachments, we can see the two attachments there. You now have a reusable tool in ArcGIS Pro for counting the number of attachments per features. Make sure to check out more in the playlist and subscribe. Take care.